back to my channel. So today we're gonna show you some new slimes
I made,
and maybe some old slimes. Probably no, yeah, new slimes. That's all, new slimes. So yeah, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so the first.
Hold on.
Okay.
So here is the first slime.
So I made this one about a few weeks ago.
It was like a week or so ago.
It's so nice. It's super stretchy. Makes the perfect Instagram swirl. She likes to make slime bubbles. I'm gonna make one after her, but my slime bubbles are huge.
So this is my slime. It's pink. And I made it about a month or two ago.
So it's kind of new.
Yeah, so it's kind of new.
Not really.
It makes great slime bubbles. I'm not sure about Instagram swirls, but it has glitter in it. And so yeah, let's go on to the next slime.
No, it's my slime. Okay. So here is my slime. It's super glittery. If you can see that. So I'm gonna make a slime bubble. Excuse me, sister. Okay. So I spread it out and then I make it. I don't want to make it too big that it just gets all over it. Dun. And then I just bring it up. And it's so nice to it's the best slime ever.
Okay, next slime. Alright guys, so I have this clear glittery slime. It's actually not that good a slime. It's like tough and
she got it from the Dollar Tree. I got it for her.
And then I paid her back. So yeah. And then Mariah's slime.
It's Christmas spirit slime. It has these little foam beads or just kind of beads that we put in it. See?
You put it in?
Yeah, I just put these little beads in them. It's such a good slime. It literally smells like we put this Christmas spirit scent in it, so it smells super good. So yum.
Would you do the honors for the last slime?
Sure. Let me put that slime away. Okay. So it's another glitter slime that we got from the Dollar Tree. If I can get it over, okay. It's not that great either, but it smells weird. Ugh. It smells like chlorine. It's not very stretchy. Doesn't stick to itself. Let me get that. Sorry about that. It doesn't want to even stick to itself like a real slime would.
Okay, now alright. Don't forget to hit that red button. And you might not be able to hit this slime right now, but hit that red button, comment, and like this video.
Give it a big thumbs up, share, like,
and comment. Now, if you like the video, put unicorns. If you don't like the video, put devils. I hope you like the video. I think I want some 10 subscribers by the end of this video. Bye!